Jill.
Hi.
Hey, how are you? I'm Jason with Safelite AutoGlass.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you too. So what we're doing today, we're doing a windshield repair, is that correct?
Correct.
All right, excellent. Have you ever had one done before?
I have not.
All right, typically they do not disappear after we repair them. It's more of a structural fix than it is a cosmetic fix. Also, with that being said, there is a slight chance that this could crack out while I'm fixing the windshield. What's happening, we're pushing resin inside that damaged area, so there's a chance that windshield could let loose.
Okay.
But other than the windshield repair, what we're gonna be doing, I'll wash the exterior windows for you and I'll vacuum up on the inside. Let me do my pre-inspection real quick and we'll go over that. Do you have any questions for me?
No, sounds
All
great.
right, excellent. I'll get started on it. Thank you.
All right, I appreciate it. Thank you.
So right now, what it's doing is pulling all the moisture and dirt out of that damaged area. That way we have sufficient room to push the resin inside that damaged area. That's a 1 minute process. What I'm gonna do while that's doing that, I'm gonna go around, I'm gonna wash my windows. It's minimum 1 minute. What I'm doing now, I'm just watching, making sure that window's not cracking out since that raz head is putting pressure on that window. My next step is to inject the resin capsule. Give that a little turn, push it down. What happens there, it puts that resin on the face of the glass and the raz head sucks all the air out of that. Okay, 3 minutes is up. So what we're gonna do now, remove the raz head and we're gonna fill the damaged area with pit fill resin. Smash down that pit fill resin, make sure it's covering all the cracks, because once you cure it, it fills in those cracks pretty nice. And then cover it with Mylar, then cure it with our UV light. Now we're more than 3 minutes, less than 5, so we want to take our UV light off here. Make sure everything's cured. And everything looks good to go. Okay, Jill, here's your keys.
Great, thank
Everything
you.
went excellent. Just like we talked about, I washed your exterior windows for you. I vacuumed up on the inside. You also have no restrictions. You can drive and you can wash this as soon as you want. You had a $0 deductible today, so that's always good.
Great.
Probably 1 to 3 days, you're gonna receive a survey. They take about 2 minutes to fill out, so if you can do that for me, I appreciate that. It only takes about 2 minutes, like I said. Other than that, do you have any questions for me?
No, sounds
All right,
great.
I'll give you your warranty brochure and we'll be good to go.
Thank you
All right,
so
hey,
much.
thank
Appreciate
you.
your
No
time.
problem.